So you
in
were
every
body
way.
shamed a lot during your youth.
You know, my mama. I was always plumpu kid.
No,
That's
but-
why I never thought I'll be in movies.
but
I
as a
was like this
heroine,
fat kid
did
with
you-
oil in my hair and 2 chotis. And so no one ever thought that I will ever become an actress.
But did it
Because
affect
never-
your mental health when you were body shamed, or any kind of? Did it make you anxious?
It did.
you know?
It did. It did. Because I always knew that I was much taller than the other heroines. I always knew I was broad built. But today I'm very proud of my Punjabi genes. I am not ashamed at all. And even my son is like me. My son is 16 and he's 6 foot 2 inches and he's like broad built like me. And I say, be proud. You have the rock solid, and heavy bones. So I always used to weigh a lot. When my heroes used to carry me, poor things used to be like, Ravina, tu kya kha ke aayi aaj? I was like, I can't help it, dude. Maybe I look slimmest, but I've got heavy bones. That's how I am genetically. I can't help it. And I think I'm absolutely fine the way I am. But that time, yes. When you're 16, 17, and you're going through this public humiliation, public scrutiny, imagine for a 17-year-old or an 18-year-old what you go through. At that time, yes, it hurts like hell. But again, you have to have a strong support system around you. And I tell everyone, there's no stronger support system in your lives than your families and your friends. Whatever you're feeling, luckily in India, we never had the concept of psychiatrists and psychologists and stuff. We always had our families. We had joint families. We had sisterhood. We had sisters. We had best friends, who were always there standing up for each other. So reach out. There's no shame in reaching out.
Say something. Romance.
I love romance.
Where did you meet? Where did you meet Anil, and how long was the wooing period? Because all that's a very blur. I remember the marriage in Jaipur.
Anil has now become the most unromantic person I can sit with. Please.
Marriage does that to you.
God.
But how
I
long
want
did you
to
date
rewind
before you
him.
marry?
How long did we date? 2 months.
That's it.
Yeah. It was Chat Mangni Patbya, literally the true Punjabi style. No time waste. I guess we just knew that we're very similar people. Our upbringings were the same. Our morals were the same. The way he took care of his family, the way he loved his parents, and I think that is something which I do judge people with, how they are with other people. Whether you go to a restaurant, you see how the person is with people around, how respectful he or she is with people who are serving them, with people who are looking after them, with their elders. And I think that's what won his case, as far as I'm concerned.
And as a husband, over the years, what
He's
are the?
been a hands-on father, always. I am admitting I did not clean my son's potty. It was too stinky. And by the time I had long nails, so it would all just go in. So Anil has done all the potty cleaning for Ranveer. Till date. Yeah, Rasha I did because Anil, it was too new. Because
You were
Rasha
never
was our
working.
first.
You were never working when the two kids were born.
No,
around that time.
I did not work then. Though there were films offered to me. In fact, one of the films, they wanted the protagonist to be pregnant. But I was too fat, yeah. I had put on so much weight. I was eating like gulab jamuns. And Rasha's time, I did everything wrong. I ate everything under the sun that I had deprived myself all those years. I used to be on kurmura and makhana and things like that. Na? So I ate like I had not seen that I came from some really deprived place where I was not getting food. I ate like that. Anil would be like, you're really eating that much? I was like, yes, I'm going to eat. He'd be like, okay, hormones are talking, stay away.
So what's the most romantic thing that he's done?
I was shooting somewhere really in the hills recently. And it was a milestone birthday, and everyone was like, oh, you're not going to be there, this, that. He gets a lot of car sickness. Okay, yeah, actually, that's the most romantic thing that he's done for me.
Wow.
He does not go upstrokes because he's then sick for 2 days. None of my staff told me, but he had planned and he came up all the way into the hills for that shoot. Okay, and he was sick, poor thing, for 2 days, but he was there with me for that birthday. And I think that's knowing that I'm going to fall sick, but I'm still going to be there, I think was the biggest thing that he did for me.
More power to him.
Yeah.